Welcome to my channel. This episode is about why creators don't really fail, they freeze. And freezing doesn't generally look dramatic. It looks like waiting, reworking, planning, consuming more information. From the outside, it maybe looks responsible, but from the inside, it feels like something just stopped. It's not laziness, it's not a lack of discipline, and it isn't a mindset problem, but it's a nervous system response. Freezing happens when creation begins to feel uncontained, not unsafe, just too much to hold all at once. Too many possibilities, too much exposure, too many internal decisions happening simultaneously. So the nervous system pauses, not because you can't create, but because creating now carries too much internal cost. Here's what almost no one talks about. Freezing often happens right after growth, after clarity, after momentum, after something finally starts working. Because expansion requires capacity, not just talent. Creation asks for presence. Visibility asks for exposure. Momentum asks for identity change. And when those arrive together, the body slows everything down to protect itself. That pause gets mislabeled as procrastination, self-sabotage, loss of confidence, but it's none of those. It's an intelligent system saying, this is too much to hold right now. We have to get rid of something in the old. The creators who last aren't more motivated. They aren't more inspired. They aren't more disciplined. They're more contained. They can hold what they're building internally without fragmenting. This channel exists to name what creators live with calmly, not to fix you, not to optimize you, but to tell the truth about urgency without urgency. Because when truth is named without pressure, the nervous system relaxes. And when the nervous system relaxes, creation resumes, not by force, but by capacity.